Hey guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my One Prompt Apps review. One Prompt Apps from the desk of Tony Hayes. So it is going live today on the 15th of February at 11 a.m. New York time. As per usual, you'll find my written review right below in the description box for all the details and my bonuses. I think you're gonna love them, by the way. I'll tell you more about my bonuses a bit later. So what is One Prompt Apps? Essentially, it's a workshop. Okay, it's like a masterclass. It's a workshop a live workshop with Tony that will take place after the launch is over. Okay. Yes, and no, I don't really have a review access to it because it's a live workshop. However, Tony's daughter, Stephanie Hayes, gave me a link to the previous live stream, which Tony ran for the audience, for the subscribers, okay, around the same concept, around the same strategy of creating an app with one prompt. How? We're using what platform? Well, stay with me. I'll talk more about that. So let's dig in. Let me show you all I have to share with you. Okay, it's not gonna be long because again I cannot show you a members area as such because it's a live workshop after the launch is over, and the launch is over, let me double check. So it is launching today, and I believe it's 5-6 days launch, something like that. Okay, but you will get all the details when the workshop is happening once you join, once you sign up. So, okay, from my written review, guys, you click the get the best price. Well, read through it first. Okay, there are all of the prices. The price of the front end is $37. This is Tony, very friendly guy, very funny as well. So I watched his previous workshop around the same stuff, right? This is the one. It's 1 hour 45 minutes. He shares a lot of Google Docs with prompts, with templates, this and that, for creating apps, okay? Using a platform called, I'll get to that, pretty cool platform, like the one, really, okay? If you've ever wanted to turn your ideas for an app, okay? A web-based app, right? A powerful software, essentially, with all sorts of fancy features, this and that, that you normally see as you get a product, as you get a software product and application, right? So if you've ever dreamt of creating your own, you have an amazing idea, or even as a freelancer, okay, then this is your opportunity. Now, like never before, crazy stuff is possible with the help of AI. You just type in your prompt, and the AI, with its all-knowing oracle intelligence almost, right? It's a tool at the end of the day. So, it will give you what you want, but you need to, put it into words at least. Okay? It cannot read your mind yet. So that's your opportunity, guys. Okay? I kind of, went astray with my slightly philosophical digressions. Right, so the platform Tony will be showing you how to use is called Base 44, and you can start for free. However, if you're serious about it, if you want to connect your domain, it's like you start for free. You've got a limited number of credits. Then the starter is $20 a month. More credits and more integration credits as well, because there's a bunch of platforms you can connect to it as well. Okay, your autoresponder, your page builder, this and that. Okay, a bunch of different integrations, various integrations. Then the next one is Builder. You can connect your domain, okay, which is great, which I always recommend. This is what Tony recommends as well. However, for people who are really into it and for it and the all-in, Tony recommends the Pro, which is this and that much a month. Guys, this is like serious business. So of course, it will require some investment, but it gives you so much leverage, okay, like GitHub integrations, early access to beta features, of course, connecting your domain, unlimited number of apps, back-end functions and all of the stuff that you really need to make it happen as a professional. So that's the platform. You click start building, you sign up with your account, and the rest, well, Tony will cover. So you see, I'm telling you exactly what it is that Tony will be talking about. So there you go. He's talking about the base 44. Let me pause this one. Almost 2 hours long. I really enjoyed. I learned a lot. And this is where I was talking with Stephanie Hayes. Actually, I'm sure she wouldn't mind me showing that to you, because I asked her for the review access. I was like not fully mentally present, and she's like, it's a live training, Sylwia. Tony will do that after the launch closes, so we don't have review access, but we just ran the same workshop to our own audience, so I can send you the replay from that training. So she has. I watched it, and it is a fantastic training. Right, so from my written review, guys, you click buy now. A magpie came to visit me. And then, do you want to steal something, honey? No, not from me. Okay, so here is the sales page. And yeah, if that's for you guys, sign up, okay? A lot of testimonials, okay? It's real stuff. Real deal. 2 recent launches from our workshop students. Amazing. Okay. So yes, that is what is happening if you take action. So coming soon, click here to sign up. Again, it's going to take place after the launch is over. And now let me show you my bonuses. The first 2, because I was talking to Stephanie. I said, I would love to join this launch adventure, but I'm actually traveling tomorrow, so I didn't have much time to create. This is what I normally do. I mean, I do give you 2 custom-made bonuses that I created for another launch, but they are super congruent with this one as well, so I'll give you access to those. The last 2, actually free. I give you like an extra unannounced bonus. You will see them on my bonus delivery page. So this one, the ultimate guide to selling digital products and social media marketing strategies for digital products, are from me. But this one, the digital product idea generator, is from Stephanie. And check this out. This product is a simple app designed to help you quickly brainstorm profitable digital product ideas and lead magnets without staring at a blank page. And that app in particular, Stephanie, so the daughter of Tony Hayes, the vendor, built from Tony's lead magnet web app workshop. And this is actually OTO number 1. So it's going to complement this beautiful product beautifully. Trust me. And then she gave me access also. I did connect with Stephanie quite a while ago, and we chat here and there. Every now and again, she always lets me know about her launches. So yeah, cool stuff. So I managed to get some cool bonuses for you guys from her, exclusive bonuses, that will again complement this launch amazingly, well. So the next bonus from her is AI Product Launch Assistant, which is essentially a custom GPT. It will lead you through the whole process, okay, from creating, structuring your content, writing a sales page, the simple funnel, email copy for you, everything for launching your product, essentially. And of course, you will deliver it from the app that you will create will be your product. The app that you will create once you sign up for base 44. Okay. Yes, the platform Tony will be covering in his workshop. So again, how to create an app from one prompt, and Tony will give you access to this magical prompt with much more that you will need, that will assist you with the creation of your software, help you out big time. Loads of templates, okay, loads of documents you're sharing during this workshop with whoever was, with all the attendees. Right, guys, so that's that. Check out my written review. If that's for you, sign up. Going live today, 11 a.m. New York time. Today is the 15th of February. I'm a bit absent-minded. My head is already on holiday, in a holiday mood. Okay, ciao.